In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a product page in Squarespace. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel, find the option labeled Website and click on it. When it expands, select Pages. This is where all the pages on your site are organized and where you can manage your product pages. On the left panel, you'll now see a list of your existing site pages. If you already have a product page, you can simply select it in a moment. But if you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first. To do that, click the plus icon next to the section where you'd like to add your new product page. A pop-up window will appear with different page types. On the left side of that pop-up, choose Products. Then select the layout you prefer from the available options. Squarespace offers different layouts, so pick one that best matches the style of your store. Once you have a product page created, click on that page in the left panel to open it. In the main preview area on the right, look towards the top left corner and click Edit. This will open the page editor where you can make changes to the content and design. Inside the editor, you can work with sections and blocks. To edit an existing block or section, just click on it. A small floating toolbar will appear with icons to edit, align, pin, duplicate, or remove the block. To edit the block's settings more deeply, click the pencil icon. This opens a panel with editing and styling options specific to that block type. For example, if it's a text block, you can simply click once or double click and start typing directly into the page. If you want to resize a block, click it once to reveal the resize handles on the edges, then drag those handles to adjust its size. To move a block to a different position, click it once and drag it to where you want it to appear. To add a new section, hover your mouse between two existing sections until you see an Add Section button appear, then click it and choose the kind of section you'd like. If you want to add a new block inside a section, hover over that section until you see an Add Block option. Click it, and a panel will open with different block types, like text, images, buttons, and more. Choose the block you want and it will be added to your page. And that's it. You now know how to create and edit a product page in Squarespace.